Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And today I'm going to show you how you can slow down short videos on your YouTube. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your YouTube and now go to your source. And suppose you want to slow down this short video, just click the short video first and now leave. And now go to library here on top on bottom of your right screen. Go to library and go to like videos, and here is the here is the shorts that you previously liked. Now click that shorts once again.
Persons of Indian origin
And now you can see on top of your right screen a setting sign, the gear signal. Just click that, and here you can see playback speed. Just click that option. You can slow it down to 0.25x. Also you can slow it down to 0.5x, and after that again play. As you can see, the shorts is now slowed down, and in this way you can slow down any shorts that you like. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video does helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.